here's a little tip that we've noticed a couple people have run into, myself included, when I tried to do this. When you go into your operation and you're trying to update your, how many tons you got, when you go into actual load commodity, a mistake some of us are making, again, I've already done this myself, is you hit the plus button, which looks right. However, if you do that, it actually adds another commodity. Instead, what you want to do is click on the commodity that's already there and update it. If you hit this plus button and you say try and do this commodity and you enter it and add it, now you have that one. And when you go to complete the operation, it's not going to let you, because it's going to say you haven't updated this and it's a required field. So if nothing's here, then you can do the plus button. But if something's already there, you just want to click on it and update it to the right information. If you did accidentally add one, no big deal. You can click on it, hit delete, and then all is well, and it'll save that information and you're all set.